Hi guys, it's your boy, Lilky Wilkie Woo Woo. And today we're going to be reviewing my dad's roast dinner. Let's get into it. Right. Oh, mate. Oh. That is absolutely delicious. Oh, beautiful. That's lovely. The best roast dinner I've had in years. Oh, it is absolutely beautiful, guys. That is a 10 out of 10. That is the best roast dinner I've ever had. Absolutely gorgeous. Honestly. Come round and my dad will cook you a roast dinner. Anyway, this has been your boy, Lilky Wilkie Woo Woo. And I'll see you in the next video.